Okay.
Hello, sir. Yesterday session you did not upload. Yesterday session link.
Yesterday session and day before session, 2 days session I uploaded.
Sir,
I shared message also.
So where I need to check, sir?
Myself uploaded.
Yeah, we have got it, sir.
Sir, I didn't get, sir.
Are you in the WhatsApp group?
I am not in WhatsApp group, sir. Can you add me there?
So guys, can you hear me?
Yeah,
All
yes,
of
sir.
you.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So today we are going to see how we can increase the existing VM size. So yesterday I have shown how to launch one VM, that is 2022, right? Just a moment. So today our activity is to perform the following actions. So yesterday, due to some reason, I could not answer your questions. I have a technical issue yesterday. So to increase the size of an existing Windows 2022 server and to increase the size of existing hard disk. Okay, hard disk means actually it is virtual hard disk. It is not real hard disk. Okay, so everything is virtual, right? So here also it is virtual hard disk. And one more activity also we are going to do to add one or more virtual hard disks to our Windows server, Windows 2022 server. So this is our agenda today. Okay, so if possible, I will take some other topics also. First, let me log into Azure portal. So let us fastly create one Windows 2022 because yesterday I have removed, because if I keep on running that machine, okay, it is very expensive, right? That is why I have removed a complete VM. Complete resource group also I have removed. Okay. So when you think of a virtual machine cost, okay, actually it is twofold. Means you have to pay for. This is a problem. So I am creating a new resource group. Resource group name is WinRG. Virtual machine name is Windows VM. So you can select a region, whichever you want. Generally, we are going to select a region which is closer to our customers, because in virtual machines always we are going to run some applications, right? Okay, so applications are used worldwide. So that is why, okay, so generally we are going to select a region which is very closer to our customers. So I can select one Central India or South India. So where Central India? Okay, maybe South India. Okay, any problem? No problem. So I am selecting Windows 2022. So for
Server
Windows
what you have
2022,
given? That's it.
yes.
Server which one you have given? Server. Just scroll up. Server. I want to see the server.
What is that?
Server.
Where server? Windows Server 2022.
Windows Server 2020.
Windows Server 2022 data center. Okay, it is a server version. It is not desktop version. So are you asking this question or something else?
This one only.
I selected server, right? Windows Server 2022. Yesterday also I selected same or different one.
The same only.
Okay. So username is Azure user. Password is password.
Because I am practicing simultaneously. That's a big problem, maybe. Okay.
So here I am going to open two ports. One is 80. The 3389. This is for desktop, remote desktop connectivity. And if some application is launched in our system, okay, like IA server, since that must run on 80 port number, okay. So while creating machine itself, I am opening 80 port number. So from here onwards, just to review place create, nothing to change. So once you know it, okay, creation of virtual machine is actually just a 2-minute job. Only for first time it takes lot of time. Okay, once you create 2 or 3 times, just it does not take more than 2 minutes. So generally, what are the reasons why we have to increase or increase the capacity of an existing VM? Okay, so let us imagine a small use case. Okay, just imagine this is my Azure cloud. Here I launched one virtual machine. So the virtual machine is Windows 2022 server. So here, just imagine that we are running something like one e-commerce application that runs on your IA server. It is developed in .NET. So members from outside, okay, are able to use this application, okay, like us. So it can be any e-commerce website like Amazon shopping website, okay, or something like our food delivery application, income tax filing application, okay, and it can be Book My Show, whatever it may be. Now this is my end user browser. Okay, so it can be, so my end user will be able to access this website either from his mobile phone or PC or laptop. It can be anything. Now my performance team has told me that one single virtual machine can handle 1000 users. 1000 users. Okay, so if more than 1000 users are connected, it cannot handle. System will be overloaded completely. Your application might be crashed. Server might be crashed. Now, just imagine that. So there are 3000 users are connected. 3000 users are connected. Okay. Now, in that case, since a single VM cannot handle 3000 users, okay. So what is the remedy? What is the alternate we have to do? Here we have two options here. What are the two options? One is either increase the capacity of an existing VM. So this is nothing but a vertical scaling. Vertical scaling. This is one option. Second option is add one more, okay, replica server, which is identical one. Okay. So generally this is called as a horizontal scaling. Horizontal scaling. Now, here the thing you have to understand is when you want to increase the size of an existing VM, first of all, what I have to do? I have to stop the VM. But when you stop the VM, so the end user will not be able to use my application. Downtime is required. But my end user will be able to tolerate downtime. It is highly impossible because some mission critical applications are there. Okay, so that must run 24/7. Okay, so in that case, nobody is going to use this vertical scaling. So to increase the size, definitely we have to stop the VM. Okay, definitely we have to stop the VM. Then only we can increase the capacity. But when we stop the VM, definitely my application will not be functioning. So to overcome this problem, so we are going to use another method called horizontal scaling. This is also called as VMSS, means virtual machine scale set. So here we are going to define a condition. What is that condition we are going to define? Whenever CPU usage is greater than, okay, 80% or 75%, whatever it may be. Actually, this load percentage is given by our performance team after conducting load balancing testing. Okay, so they will run some automated kind of testing so that they will finalize how much load a server can tolerate. Okay, that measurement is given by performance team in the industry. Okay, according to that ratio, we are going to define a condition. So whenever CPU percentage usage is greater than 80%, what we are going to do? Okay, we are going to add one VM dynamically without having any downtime, within fraction of seconds. Okay, so one more machine is added, and we are going to write one more condition. Whenever CPU percentage is lesser than, okay, 20 or 30%, we don't need those many systems, right? Because as number of systems are increasing, the cost also increased. The cost per VM is also increased. Okay, so what we are going to do? Remove one VM. This is nothing but a horizontal scaling. Okay, so most of the industries are using this kind of mechanism, horizontal scaling. So horizontal scaling actually is a generic code. Okay, so in Azure, this is called as can be implemented by using virtual machine scale set.
This should be automated, right, sir?
Yeah, it is automated.
Yeah.
Okay, but how to create a virtual machine scale set, that is a different story. Just I'm explaining concept. We will go and set up virtual machine scale set also on one day. Okay, when time comes, I will explain each and every step. So just for now, we are going to deal with vertical scaling only.
Sir, it will create a cluster, extra cluster, group.
Not
I mean,
extra cluster,
of-
it is not called as cluster actually.
So
Node
what
for the
the
cluster, right?
difference is the cluster and group. I mean, cluster is a group of machines, right? So
Yes.
every machine is a virtual machine, or I mean, how it is being.
Every machine is a virtual machine. It is not physical one. Somewhere else it will be created. Okay. Okay. So somewhere else it will occupy some physical storage. Okay. Physical core servers. Okay. For us, it is virtual. But without physical, we cannot create virtual, right? So that is why for from our perspective, it is virtual. Now just to connect to the server and click on okay. So yesterday we have connected through MSTSC, right? MSTSC. So just to copy paste this public IP address. What is the credentials I have given? I think I hope I have given Azure admin, right? Azure admin. Password is password.
Azure user you have given, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Azure user,
Azure user, huh?
I think. So.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Azure user. Not touch.
Yeah, you have created Azure admin only.
Azure admin only.
Yes, yes.
Okay, let us verify. Okay, here you can select see the user. Select SSH. Now it will show the username also. Azure user only. Azure user. Okay.
Remote desktop, right?
Yeah. Definitely we have to have load balancer. Okay, directly we are not going to select, we are not going to send a request to virtual machine scale set. Okay, so we are going to attach load balancer. Okay, to our VMSs. And again, this load balancer will be pointing to one of the healthy server. And even though a load balancer is there, we don't access load balancer directly. Okay, we are going to purchase one domain from domain sellers. Okay, I will show that how to map my domain user domain with the load balancer. Okay, there I will show. Now, one thing you have to understand here. Yesterday, I have configured, I have set up IA server. So once I set up IA server, okay, I have verified that it is running. So today I wanted to show something. Now once again I will configure this server manager. Let us have a look. So let us go to server manager. Let me configure IAS. add roles and features. Next, next, next. Here select IAS. Simply, that's all. Okay. Add features. Click on next, next, next. Install. Okay, yesterday I have shown one more way also. Okay, by using command line, also you can set up IAS server. Two ways are there. You can use either that one or this one. From PowerShell admin mode, just by executing a simple command, okay, your IAS will be installed. Sound up. Now here, go to File Explorer. Here we are going to see two types of drives here. One is C drive, another one is D drive. This is completely temporary storage. So whatever data you are using frequently, that will be stored automatically here. And when you shut down a virtual machine and when you start it again, okay, data in the temporary storage will be completely lost. And but whatever data that is stored in this C drive, okay, will be permanent. So actual operating system will be stored in C drive. Okay, so actually in Azure we have three types of disks. One is OS disk, another one is a data disk, another one is temporary disk. Okay, these two are created automatically. So if you want to add one more disk, you can add one extra hard disk. That is called as a data disk. Okay, so I will show that how to add it. So just hit on this this one. Are you seeing one folder here? inetpub, www roots. Here we are going to see two files here. Here this is the files. This is the location of your ASP.NET application. And whenever in Azure DevOps we deploy some application, ASP.NET application, within this folder, okay, your application is deployed. Always remember, inetpub, where it is there? In C drive. Okay, in C drive we have inetpub, www root. So this folder is created automatically when you set up IAS server. Now, let us have a look whether our server is working or not. So let us minimize this server and let us go to public IP address. Okay, copy this. Yesterday also we have tested, right? Now once again test. Are you seeing it is working? Now what I will do, I will completely remove these two files. I will go to File Explorer. Okay, I will remove this.
Shift delete. Please shift delete.
Now what I will do, here I will create one file, new file. Okay, Let me check whether I able to create. Otherwise, from text document is something like index. Okay. Or something. Open this. Let us write something here. What I can write? HTML format font HTML. My bad luck. Soon I am going to change my system. Till that time, we have to substitute greater than symbol like this only. Okay. HTML and within this I am going to write body BG color equal to yellow. Okay.
This is inside C drive or D drive? C drive.
C drive. Okay, so close body BG color equal to yellow and close body. Okay, sorry. And once you are doing this activity and add H1 tag, welcome to Azure DevOps. H1 means some bold letters are displayed. H1. Okay, so close body also here. Now save as index.html. Now see what happens here. I will remove this file, delete this file. Now from browser, make a request to index.html. Index.html. Are you seeing something? The original, the default page has gone. Okay, so whatever we have been requesting, that will be displaying here. That means the thing you have to remember is for every ASP.NET application, the default folder is okay in the C drive inetpub www root. This is a default folder. This is a default folder for every ASP.NET applications. So this is how you can change the default behavior. Now, as we have discussed, I want to increase the size of existing VM. Are you seeing something like here in the size blade? Are you seeing something like size blade? Just hit on this. I am increasing the size. So previously it is D2S_V3. It is having 2 CPUs and 8 GB RAM. Now this time I am selecting 4 CPUs, 16 GB RAM. Okay, definitely it is greater than okay this first mission. Just click hit on resize. Are you seeing the connection to this machine is closed? Okay, again we have to connect it. Okay, meanwhile, my application that is running in the system will definitely pause. Will definitely halted. My end user will not be able to use my application. transaction information will go. Okay, so many things might be occurring, many drawbacks might be occurring. Okay, now this is a way how you can increase the size of an existing VM. This is nothing but what? Vertical scaling. Now let me connect to this VM again. Now, if you go and verify, are you seeing D4S_V3, 4 virtual CPUs, 16 GB RAM? Am I able to increase the size of an existing VM? This is nothing but vertical scaling. Now, to increase the capacity of OS disk size, just on the left side, you are seeing something called disks. Just hit on this disks. Okay, so presently it is having how much capacity? Because this is OS disk. It is created with 127
GB.
and 500 IOPS. Just click on this. Okay, so just come down. There is no option called modifying here. Okay, so it is presently it is showing 127 GB. It is standard HDD LRS, and just look at the screen whether there is an option for changing. Okay, just click on size plus performance. Are you seeing this one? Here in this place there is no option. Just hit on this size plus performance. Okay, so I am selecting 256. Is it allowing? Not allowing. Why? Because we have to stop the VM. Then only you are able to increase the size. So can I increase? Can I change the performance? See, even it is not allowing. See, the save option is not enabling. Why? Because without stopping the virtual machine, OS disk cannot be altered. OS disk cannot be altered. Okay, let us see. Let us stop the VM. Then we see whether we are able to modify. So go to virtual machines here. And now this is my Windows VM. Just hit on stop. Now refresh page once. It is now deallocating. Deallocating is different from stopping. What is the difference? I will explain. Okay. Deallocation means what happens here? Whatever hardware that is allocated for your VM, that is completely freed, so that you are free from billing. Stopping means only your CPU will be stopped, but your hardware, that will not be released. So that will not be used as this. Okay, that will not be stopped here. Okay, same hardware will be allocated when you start the machine again. But deallocation means Same hardware may or may not be given for next time startup. That is the difference between deallocation. So when you stop the VM, definitely you are going to get some bill. Deallocation means you are completely free from billing. Are you seeing it is stopped and deallocated? Now I will go to Windows VM and click on size. Click on disks, not size. Disks. Okay, just hit on this OS disk. Size plus performance. Now just are you seeing this option is enabled this time? Previously this was disabled. Okay, so I cannot decrease. Okay, when I try to decrease, see, it is disabled. When I increase, see, it is enabling. Okay.
Yeah, this is what horizontal, right?
This is vertical, not horizontal.
Yeah.
Okay, I am not increasing, just I have shown one. Okay. And let us go to disks once again. Go back. I will show how to add a new disk. Okay, if you want to increase the size, just hit on save. That's all. And here, go back once again. Disks. Select Windows VM and hit on disks. Are you seeing create and attach a new disk here? Just hit on this. So whatever disks we are adding now, okay, so these are called as data disks. Now here I am adding something like my disk. Okay, so what is the performance? Performance always SSD disks give more performance, more expensive also. For mission critical operations like database query operations, always we are going to use SSD. And for normal operations, so we can use HDD. Okay, we will have a session on this. Okay, up to that, remember that SSD are very expensive, very performance wise, they are very best.
Sir, if we are in vertical scaling, if we are adding more disk space, so everything is compute in the RAM, so it will not increase the RAM accordingly, or
RAM is different, storage is this is storage, right? It is not
so
RAM.
So we are increasing the storage here, right?
Yes, it is not RAM. RAM means I have to go to size. Okay, size means your virtual CPUs are increased, RAM is increased. Here I am speaking about storage.
Can't we decrease the storage?
No, it is not possible.
Why? Any reason?
Who is asking this question?
Yeah.
तुरंत बाहर निकल जाओगे फोन करते तो बता 10-15 मिनट मैंने कहा ना तेरे को अब तुम बहन जो तुरंत फोन कर दोगे मेरी कॉल चल रही है इसलिए काट रहा हूँ मैं तो साले कितने तेरी बात हुई देखियो तो मैंने कहा क्या कहा था तूने कहा 10-15 मिनट कहानी का सारी बात तो मैं रहा कर 10-15 मिनट कहानी का तो 15 मिनट हो गए लास्ट तेरी मेरी बात कर हाँ ठीक है उसके बाद
can you please mute?
Can you go on mute?
हमारे लिए अपने
We cannot decrease. Why? Because if you decrease the size, the data will be lost, right? That is why we cannot decrease the size.
Okay, but if I don't have any data, so in this case, can we decrease?
No, it is not possible. Even though it is not possible, Azure has not given that facility.
Okay.
Even though no cloud provides that increasing capacity, increasing disk size. Only in AWS also, just we can increase. Not decreasing is not possible.
Okay.
Hello?
In horizontal, will it be decreases automatically?
Horizontal means we are increasing not disks. Okay, we are increasing machines.
Okay.
Virtual machines. I did not speak about storage, right? Okay, I discussed about increasing number of virtual machines. I did not speak about storage.
Oh.
Okay, so I added one storage. Okay, my disk, it is with 32 gigs. Okay, your hard disk speed is 500 IOPS. Just hit on the save. Now start your virtual machine also. So for adding data disks, machine need not be stopped here. When machine is running, you can add. Okay, just select this one. Where is start on here? This is start. Okay. Now go to your virtual machines and just hit on this, select this public IP address once. Okay. MSTSC, remote desktop, connect. Azure user. Okay, password, right? Right.
Created down.
You cannot change the disk size in peak hours, H series, that kind of mechanism is not there. Okay. So in auto scaling, just we have spoken about only virtual machine series. So we can not series. Either we can increase or decrease. That's all. But we cannot change the size. If you want to change the size again, okay, we have to stop the VM, and again you have to increase the size. Only that option is there. Otherwise, in peak hours means you can go and you have to manually scale out and scale in. Means manually go into virtual machine scale set. Either you have to increase or decrease. Okay, that is possible. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Now go to File Explorer here. This PC. Okay, that is not added. Why? Because I have stopped the VM, right? Okay, you have to add that explicitly. After stopping the VM, okay, I added it. Now we go and add it once again. Okay, we will see. Disks. Attach existing disk. This disk only. Okay. Why it is not adding then? Okay, save it. I did not save it actually before that. That is why it was not showing anything. Go and verify. Refresh once. Where is that? Just to close it. Activate once again. File Explorer. This PC. It is not showing.
So restart after the attachment.
Just a minute. Actually, before that only I have to do it. Power. Restart it. While it was stopped, I have added. That is why it is not recognizing. Why it is not adding this one?
I think we need to add once again. That time we only save.
Right,
not
right. Right,
So
We need
before
to
that, you have to stop the.
No, no, stopping is not required because it is not a data disk, right?
We need to add again. Yeah.
Okay, this is removed, and we'll do one thing. You create one more.
Just
Data disk
refresh and
is
create.
my disk. I am selecting HDD size with at least 32. Disk name already in use. Okay, I am going to add disk one, my disk one. 32. Just hit on this add. Hit on this save. Now, previously the disk was removed. I removed. Actually, I added in when the machine was stopped, so that it was not recognizing. It is adding. Now go to your virtual machine. This time it must show.
I'm not able to view the screen.
Not able to?
Okay, okay. Yes, now. Is it okay? I'm able to view the screen.
Why it is not adding?
So can we restart the VM? After that, they will show.
Are you saying that restarting?
VM from portal.
Okay, I will do that. Overview. Stop it. Actually, it should not happen.
In properties also not showing that. This properties monitoring capabilities in properties.
Where?
There is a properties. So here, left side, right side, your right side.
Scroll down.
Here
No, yeah, there.
is running.
There is a no showing the disk size and that. Yeah,
It will be shown in disks only, here only.
okay.
Properties will not show disks.
Okay.
So its current size is 127. If you will be add 30, so it will be add on top of that, right?
127 is the current size.
Okay. If we will add 30 GB, so it will be add on top of 27. Right?
Adding 30 GB means
Extra added. This is a external disk. No, this is not.
external. So we cannot add like that. Okay.
Yes.
Present it is 127, right? Either you can go to 256 or 512, 1024, 2048. Okay, we cannot add 30, 40s like this because it is fixed one.
Okay, got it.
Is my is my VM running? Reserved. Present position is what? Refresh it. Go to virtual machines. Virtual machines. Okay, presently it is showing on stopped position. Okay. Start it.
But generally, which option we are using? Just start, stop, or restart?
Start option means here we have to start the VM, and when
Yes.
it is running, when you
Yes.
stop it, it will be stopped.
Okay. And restart means it's automatically stop and start.
It will be stopped and it will be restart.
So IP will be changed or it's remain same?
What do you say?
IP address will be remain same or it will be changed?
IP address will be changed sometimes because IP address is we are not reserving, right?
Only restart it will be not changed, but when we start and stop, then we'll change.
Sometimes it might be changed. See, till
Yes.
now it is not changed. 52,
Correct.
172, randomly it is generated. Okay, it may or may not change. So if you want to reserve it, okay, we have to pay some extra cost to Azure people. But if you don't reserve it, it might be changed.
Yeah. So if you having critical server, that time we can be reserve our IPs.
Definitely. Okay, if it is production server, definitely you have to preserve it.
Yes, correct.
Okay, now my machine is running. Next time you will see my disk. Premium, I'm not adding a premium disk. I'm adding very least disk. Minimum is 32 only. Disk name already presented. Where man? Why it is not showing? It is showing presented, but it is not showing.
Change the name, other name. Two.
Hit on this. Okay, so go to overview. Once again, we will see. Copy. Go to MSDSC. Remove desktop. Connect.
I think we need to stop Windows firewall.
Okay. So are you seeing 3 disks here? 32, 127, 32. Disks. I hit on disks. So it is showing 3 disks here. One is 127. This is OS disk. Later I added 32, 32. Okay. Here also we can see. Go to File Explorer. This PC. Here why it is not showing that?
I think we need to stop window firewall.
No. Okay, we will do one thing. We will go to Disk Manager. Disk Management Utility. Okay, disk mgmt dot msc. There is a tool here, disk management tool. Now it is showing disk 2. Click on OK. Okay, just remove this. Here, disk 1, disk 2. Are you seeing 32 GB is unallocated? Okay. Here this is 126. This is basic disk. This is a disk 1. And if you come down, we are going to see one more thing. Disk 2.
Disk 2.
This is not initialized. Okay, totally we have 3 disks. One is OS disk 127 and disk 1 with 32. And if you want to format it, yes, we have to format it first. Okay, are you seeing something like what is this? Not shrinking. Go to properties. Okay, we'll do one thing. Select this one. Open. It is not showing. Change drive letter.
Asian string volume.
No. Why it is not showing the options? Extend volume, change drive letter paths.
No, it's temporary, no? It's showing. You can check below of this.
Yes, go to. Still, it must be selected. Simple, new simple value. It is showing that unallocated.
Disk 132 bits is temporary storage. It's
Yeah,
showing
this one temporary storage. Okay, this one disk 2. I am speaking about disk 2.
okay.
This one. It is not initialized. That means did I save it or not? I think I did not save the disk creation here.
It's showing some red arrow there.
Red arrow.
Yeah, why it's showing red arrow there?
Uninitialized. It is not initialized. It is not
Correct.
correctly initialized. Size plus performance.
Once it is saved only, it will show there, right, Shiva?
I saved, right?
Yes. I mean, if you not saved, then it will not show there, right?
Here also showing disk attached and this SDD.
Yeah, try selecting in the above column. Above in the top to that.
Top to that is OS disk, right?
No. Paina అనేది నేను పైన volume అక్కడ.
ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ ఏం చూపించట్లే.
Okay.
Something went wrong here. Okay.
Yeah.
Is that went wrong? Virtual machines. Select this. Disks. Remove this one. Save it.
Maybe that is only that is what it was not.
No. It is not a simple. It is a simple task. It is giving a lot of trouble today. Disks. These many disks are created here. I will remove all of them. Okay, I will select disk 2, disk 1, my disk. I will create a fresh disk. So click on this my disk. Delete this. I will create freshly again.
Showing already created. Right?
Successfully deleted. And delete this my disk also.
We can refresh it once.
It will be deleted. Just we have to wait for a while. It is not there. Resource not found. Okay, refresh once. Now everything is removed. Now we will go to virtual machines. Select this VM. Go to disks. Create and attach a new disk. Okay, my data disk. HDD. Okay, hit on save.
It's also take a time to, it's depend upon network also, na, when we say,
Yes.
because we are handling the portal.
I will close this. Okay, I will also close this. Okay, so if it is not adding, still there is a serious error. I have to check it. Go to disk management. Now are you seeing 31.98 is added? Are you seeing here? Say select just a simple value, new simple value. Click on next. Okay. You can assign a name here. Okay, presently it is with E drive. You can select a name. Next. Finish. Okay, I have given E, right? Here E will be displayed here. This is completely empty. See, 31.9. It is purely empty. So like this, you can add a new disk. Okay, so previously actually I mismatched it. Okay, when the machine is stopped, I added. That is why it did not add it.
Previously, when the dialog box was there, you did not install it in the disk manager.
Which manager?
In the disk manager.
Yeah. Even though I went into disk manager, it was showing that unallocated, right?
No. Once you enter into the disk manager, it was showing us. It was showing the popping up the dialog box. Just now you have clicked it, yes, right, to install. At that time you have just closed it. Install.
Yeah. That is why it was not added, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, guys. So in the next session, we are going to discuss about Linux virtual machines. From the Linux virtual machines, we will create a customized images, shared images. From the shared images, we are going to implement a virtual machine scale set. So many things we have to discuss. Okay. So that is our tomorrow Monday's agenda. Okay,
Hello,
we
sir.
are going to meet on Monday.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello. Sir, can you add me in the group so I am able to access the video also? I am not in the group. So I didn't
So
get a
here
link.
admin is there, right? So can you ask admin, Shiva Kumar?
Yeah, who is the admin? I don't know. Today I registered myself for this course also.
In WhatsApp group, you are saying?
Yeah, anywhere I want a link to see the video again, recording video.
Yeah. You definitely will be added. Okay. Have you given your email ID?
Where I have to give email ID, sir?
The DURGASOFT people.
Yeah, I already given, sir, today only.
Okay, they will add you. Okay, definitely they will add you. Otherwise, post in WhatsApp group. I will add you.
Okay, I ping my number. Okay, add in the group, sir, today only. So I have to practice also, sir, this thing.
Okay.
Yeah, please add me as well, Shiva, into the WhatsApp group. I already messaged Shivam in the group, in the chat.
Yeah, I will add you. Don't worry.
Sure, Shiva.
So totally, how many members have to add? One is 7676, right? Just
yeah, mine is 7676. I'm Lokesh.
Just a minute. Right.
Lokesh Babu added that.
Sir, add my number also, sir. I already ping in the chat.
I'm taking just wait. Okay, whose number is this? 960?
Sir, my sir, Shivam Kumar.
Shivam Kumar. This one?
Lokesh, na?
7676. Is it location number? Whose
Yeah,
number?
it's location. It's location number 7676 starting with.
Yes.
It's a location number.
And one more number is there. This is from USA, right? Kiran CH. Is it Kiran number? Kiran is not responding. Only Kiran, right? Control C. This is my virtual machine. So I have
Sir,
to
please
save
add
this.
my name also. I have pinged in chat.
Okay.
So total, how many participate in this group, sir?
Myself.
Yesterday there were 40, but I see only 23 today.
Kiran.
Okay.
Mahesh. Okay, guys. Monday we meet again. Thank you. Have a happy weekend.
Thank you.
Tomorrow no class, sir?
No. Monday to Friday only.
Thank you, Shiva.
Thank you, Shiva.
Thank you.
Weekend soon, sir.